What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome to the ASAP gang. Before I get into this video, I just want to say that all of the products that I am using will be listed in the description box below, and go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Right now, I'm priming my face using the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk, and then I will go into my brows. Going into my eyes, you already know that I primed them using the Louise Blank Canvas Primer. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Bronze Metal palette, and I'm going to start by using those 3 brown shades at the bottom. The first shade I'm going to use is the light brown shade as my transition color. Then I'm going to go in with that nice maroon brown shade and start building up my crease. Now I'm going in with that last brown shade at the bottom of the palette, that nice deep dark brown shade. Then I'm going in and I'm just intensifying that look. Then you're going to see me go in with that nice beautiful bronze gold shade and apply it all over my lid. Right now I'm going in and I'm applying a dark brown shade. I don't want to use any black liquid eyeliner because I do want this to be a really bronze look. So I'm just going in and smoking out that brown. Then I'm going to go in and apply a little bit of black just to intensify it. Going into the skin, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer just to cover up my dark circles, and then I'm going to go in with my NARS Soft Matte foundation. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer in the shade 47S. Then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Warm. For my contour, I'm going in with a cream foundation palette from Graftobian Makeup. Then I'm just going to buff everything out before I set my highlight contour in my entire face. To set my highlight, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey.
If we talk about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust.
To set my contour, I'm going in with the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer in the shade Leader. And shout out to my friend who put me onto this bronzer, okay, because this is the best bronzer I've ever used in my life. So shout out to you, friend, because you are the best. And then after I'm done setting my contour, I'm going to go in and set my entire face using the Fenty Beauty Matte Powder Foundation.
If we talk about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love. All the ways I wanna build your trust. You standing here with me, can't be love. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up.
For my blush, y'all already know I'm using the Juvias Place blush palette, one of my favorite palettes ever. And then you're going to see me go in and highlight my face using the Fenty Beauty Highlight Duo in the shade Afternoon Snack. Going into my lips, I came up with this bomb lip combo, y'all. Check this out, okay? So I go in using the NYX lip liner in the shade brown. Then I'm going to go in and apply the Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Boy Toy. Then in the center of my lips, I'm going to apply MAC lip gloss in the shade See-Through. And on the outside of my lips, I'm going to go in with a clear lip gloss. When I tell y'all, this combo came out fire, okay? I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all need to use this. Y'all need to try it. And that is it for this look, y'all. I do hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. I want to wish everybody a safe and Merry Christmas. And don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.